Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about Sears Parts Direct. So is it legit or just another scam? So I have read reviews regarding this site and here you see a fake site review already. So that's already a red flag when it comes to this. It will give you very reliable brands, but when it comes to their service, it's not real. So as you can see here, Sears Parts Direct in Reddit is a topic. So right here when we go down and you'll see that any part right now is 3 to 12 weeks depending on the manufacturer, but you can get it away with waiting. And then here it says you can get it for actually cheap, but it's not actually going to be reliable. So when we go here to Yelp and see Sears Parts Direct, we have a 1-star review in almost every category. It has 756 reviews, and as you can see, they have one good review right here, and then the rest are just gonna be trash. So as you can see, just a 5-star review right here. I think that's really real, but as you can see right here, it's really slow when it comes to the processing. So here, it's just because of the processing time, which is really slow, and then it comes out just broken. When we go to Trustpilot right here, 1-star reviews everywhere too. So as you can see, you would not want to buy from Sears Appliance or Sears Parts Direct at all. Since their customer satisfaction is really low, I would suggest that they are legit, but the service that they provide is really trash. So please avoid Sears Parts Direct here, and please just choose another provider.